Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Taxi by Dinesh Kumar Raghu. Today we begin a new journey. Yes, we are starting a series and we have a seasons and episodes. We are starting with the AA season and episodes in the season. And this is the season 1 A Foundation. And in that episode 1 of a full series that will take you from zero to building real AI on ServiceNow. So before we touch a single plugin, let me give you the map of the old world we are about to explore. Here is the honest problem. ServiceNow AI has exploded into a dozen names like Now Assist, AI Agent Studio, Now Assist Skill Kit, AI Search, Action Fabric, MCP, A2A, and AI Control Tower, Moveworks, OTTO. People hear these words and feel lost. Yes. My goal across this series is that by the last episode, every one of these clicks for you and you can actually implement them in your instances. Let me give you the mental model in the layer. At the bottom, if is the platform and your data. Yes. On top of that sits the governance AI controller, the brain that talks to the large language models, LLM. On top of that is Now Assist. Generative AI features builds into your workflows, the summarize and the drafting. Then comes to the skill layer where you build your own AI skills with the Now Assist skill kit grounded on your data using the AI search. Go one level, go one level higher, and you reach agentic AI. AI agents that don't just assist, they reason and act on their own inside AI Agent Studio. Then connectivity, Fabric, Action Fabric, yes, which is MCP and A2A, letting your ServiceNow AI talk to the outside AI world. Sitting across all of it is a control tower, the governance layer that watches everything. And finally, the experience layer, Moveworks and Auto, the unified front door your users actually talks to. Uh, that stack is the spine of the entire series. Season by season, we climb it slowly. Foundations first, then Now Assist, then skills, then grounding with AI search, then AI agents, then connectivity, then governance, and finally the unified experience. Each episode builds on the last, so watch them on order. One promise as your guidance. I'm coming at this as a developer and architect, so we won't just talk about theory. We will talk plugins, roles, licensing, configurations, and the mistakes that break real projects. By the end, you won't just know what these are, you will know how to build them. I just want to highlight one more thing before recapping our what and what next we are going to do. These are the reels. So you can able to watch within 5 minutes or 4 minutes really quickly, and you can able to understand the concepts. So first, when we are understanding about the AI concepts on each naming convention, what it is, then you can able to confidently implement your instance. So that's our roadmap. In the next episode, before we install anything, we will cover the generative AI foundations. Every ServiceNow developer must know what an LLM, a token, a prompt, and a RAG actually are. So nothing later feels like a magic. If you are serious about ServiceNow AI, and subscribe and turn on the bell. So because this series is a ladder and you don't want to miss rung. This is Dinesh. Let's build. Yes, let's build. Thank you so much.